will be telling Lil Man, let's slide on the Opps with my new Glock. So y'all know he just bought me a new Glock. I'm missing my other gun.
Well, bitch, I hope you don't see an Opp.
I'ma blow this bitch.
No, you ain't, bitch.
I'ma blow this bitch. Ain't gotta slide. I'm just saying weird though.
No.
It's weird. It's weird. Bro, is you scared?
Why was you spending broad daylight?
Just made me both of the Glocks and I'm out the window.
So we go spin.
Yeah, man finna drive. You know you gotta stop.
I'm the only one shooting.
Stop the car, bitch. You can't shoot and drive, bitch.
That'd be a hard aim.
It ain't me that I stop playing. Good, you. What's good, YouTube? I said, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, I'm back with another banger, you feel me? So look, as y'all see by the title, you feel me? I will be telling Lil Man, let's go slide on the Opps prank, bro. So I want to see what this boy ride for me, you feel me? And y'all know, let's go slide on the Opps with my new Glock, you feel me? So look, I'm finna see if this boy finna ride for me or not. But I really think this boy gonna ride, but at the same time, I know he just bought this bitch, you feel me? And I don't know, do he wanna slide with this bitch or not? So look, I left for me, get into the video, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, link in the description, you feel me? And we finna get into this video, and look, the new Glock, but I still got both of my guns, you feel me? So I got 2 guns. So yeah, we finna get into the video. Let's do it.
I got TikTok, bro.
Hold up. Okay, y'all, we straight now, y'all. I gotta drive a video, so I'm just vlogging this.
What you finna eat?
Huh?
Cause me, I ain't really
So what you finna eat?
Oh.
I just scratched though. I thought I scratched my new Glock. So, oh yeah, man, fuck with you for, buying TV and shit.
Appreciate it.
No lie. But I gotta
Appreciate
get
it.
+6 on my shit though, bro. Oh God, I got to.
It look like a light, man.
Yeah, cause you got a, the Glock 8. I mean, 19H.
You got 19H?
No.
Oh God.
Oh God.
I put X on my caption.
Why you put X?
I ain't know.
It's just a 19 Gen 5.
Why I need to change?
Yeah. Yo, I thought I had no. It's just the nigga. Where you gun? Oh,
I know. They got some X's in black.
no. Yeah, I'm finna buy a lot of shit for my gun. But y'all, I look good as hell right here, bro. Every time I wear white, these niggas wanna wear white.
No, I had this shit on first. I can't hear how you put that shit on.
No. This nigga lying fool. But I'm about to say, bro, these nigga ass ain't been talking about shit lately. You feel me? I mean, you just do you hear me? Let me.
See you. What you said?
I said these niggas ain't been talking about shit lately. But them niggas ain't been talking about shit lately.
Duh.
That shit unusual, huh?
Duh. Who finna talk about something? What they got to talk about?
No, I'm talking about you ain't know how they be making a post and shit. Them niggas be acting laid back. Your ass already know what they mean.
They finna spin.
No, them niggas know. Them niggas ass trying to stay low for a little bit. No, pop back
They
out.
trying to spin, nigga.
No, they ain't spinning, bro. They not gonna spin. And we both know this. And we both know this, bro.
And we know this, man.
That's why I'm trying to tell you.
It's so much going on in the city. Like you don't know who at you.
I'm missing my other gun.
Well, bitch, I hope you don't see an Opp.
I'ma blow this bitch.
No, you ain't, bitch.
I'ma blow this
No,
bitch.
you ain't, bitch.
I'ma blow this bitch.
Let me blow that bitch.
I'ma blow this bitch. I ain't both in the car together.
So,
I'ma blow this bitch if I see her.
no, you not.
Oh God, I let it spin right now.
We just gonna pull off.
No, I let it spin right now.
We just gonna pull off. We not spinning.
We is. I'm talking about, we ain't got to slide. I'm just saying weird though.
No.
It's weird. It's weird. Bro, is you scared?
That shit gonna come back to my name.
Nigga, I wasn't even talking about spinning. It's just with this.
What you talking about then?
I was talking about just spinning in general.
What you gonna need a gun to spin, my boy?
I'm talking about, bro. I got another gun at all.
Yeah, you spin. We can spin with that.
No, I ain't spin. We all on.
Hell nah, bro.
We got to.
No, what we got to for?
What you mean?
What we got to for? What we spinning on right now?
The Opps.
We not spinning.
We ain't finna go spin.
No, bro.
That shit probably dead. What time we get? About 2:40. Yeah, them niggas.
Hell nah. What you talking about? Why would you spin like?
They is outside.
Why would you spin in broad daylight?
Niggas spinning broad daylight.
And nigga get caught in broad daylight, yes, bro.
No.
This nigga tripping.
No, on God they don't.
Bro, shit up.
I'm for real, I'm dead ass.
I'm not spinning, bro. You spin
I
by
laughing to
yourself
go
without
spin
that
the
Glock.
No, I laughing to go spin with the Glock right now.
No, you not.
On my way.
No, you not. On my life, you
man,
not.
then we heading toward that way.
Oh,
Yes,
God,
sir.
You not. We not spinning
Yes,
with my
sir.
gun, bro. No,
On
you
God,
not.
we is.
No, you not.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No, you not. No,
Oh, yeah.
I already know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, yeah.
I already know what I'm gonna do.
What you gonna do?
You'll see.
Yeah, I ain't finna go spin.
No, we not, bro.
Yes,
we not
is.
spinning.
Nigga, have your gun out.
We not spinning.
Yes,
I'm
we
not
is.
driving.
Yo, what? You driving out.
I'm not driving to go spin.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not, bro.
Look, man, you ain't gonna drive to go spin.
No, I'm not, bro.
Yes,
I'm not.
you will.
No, we not. You keep saying
Just
we
pay
gonna
me
spin.
both of the Glocks and I'm
no,
out the window.
No, cause that shit gonna come back to my name. You gonna snitch and you gonna be like, you ain't do it. And they gonna get
Of course.
me. Of course. That's what I'm saying. You not spinning.
You gotta say you
No,
ain't get
I'm
it
not.
either. If your shit was at, bro.
No,
listen,
bro.
If you ain't got no evidence, bro, how the
It's
fuck they
still gonna be on me, bro.
It's
Still,
not.
and then you recording. It's
It's
still
not.
gonna be on me. Yes,
No,
it
it's
is,
not,
Yes,
bro.
it
Man,
is,
cut
bro.
this shit out, bro.
I don't give a fuck what you cutting out. That
That's
shit
what
can
I'm saying.
always come
No,
back.
man.
No, bro. You're not
So you
spinning.
telling me you do not want to spin?
No.
Dead ass.
Dead ass. It's over.
You a bitch.
You a bitch.
You a bitch,
We not
man.
spinning, bro. Get
I
your
got
ass
me
back.
the
Do not
gun.
pat. No,
Back
nigga.
that-
If I wreck this bitch, and we both be in heavy spinning.
No, then
Nah,
them niggas gonna be
bitch.
dissing on that. Them dead ass
I
niggas.
don't
Right.
give a fuck.
Give me the gun.
You be
Yeah.
red, bitch.
Get over in the lane right here and keep on straight.
Who you talking to? I'm in a whole nother lane.
That's why I say get in the lane.
I'm not going that lane. No, I'm not. Man, get back, bro.
Give me the other gun,
Bro,
man.
get your ass back. We not
Give me
spinning,
the other
bro.
gun. Give me the other gun.
No, don't tell my gun.
We ain't spinning. We finna spin like a ceiling fan. Then I'm finna wear the turtleneck.
Bro, put my turtleneck back there,
I
bro.
gotta be in
Bro,
black out the
put my
window.
turtleneck back there. We not spinning. We not spinning, bro.
Yes, we is.
Bro, we not fucking spinning, bro. I'm not.
Yeah,
Man,
bro,
get
I'm
your
not-
ass back. I'm
bro,
not
pay
spinning, bro.
attention,
We
bro.
not.
We
No.
spinning.
No, we
I'm
not,
not,
bro.
we
Get my
spinning.
turtleneck, bro.
I'm not
Bro,
playing
I'm
with
not
you, bro.
playing with you, bro. Put my turtleneck. Don't worry about it.
Give me the gun. We finna spin on the with my new Glock, bitch. Let's go. Let's go, man. You tripping right here, bro. Yeah, like you scared to spin and shit. Bitch, man, I always want to
see
spin
that,
for
don't
you. 911.
Yeah, you
Fuck
see
the
that, don't
police,
you?
bitch. Oh, so now you snitch.
Yeah, bitch, cause you got my gun. I'm gonna
Hey,
report
bro.
that bitch
Why
stolen.
you snitching?
Get your ass back.
Why is you snitching right here, bro?
Move.
We finna go spin right now. On everything, nigga. The dude.
You gonna be so hurt spinning by yourself?
Yeah. Me, you in the car right here. I'm telling you, I'm finna try to lay some shit down out this window today.
You finna lay some shit down.
I know I'm finna lay some shit down. I'm taking out my Jerry. I know I'm finna lay something down.
I'm a wreck so quick.
No, you ain't. If
On
you
my
wreck, we
life.
both gonna be dead.
You wanna spend
Fuck
with
you
one
wrecking
fucking
for, man?
Glock with two. You gonna spend with one Glock. These niggas got switches, Drake, sticks.
We got Drake's and stick. We just got 2 Glocks right here right
why
now.
we spend with two Glocks? Get your
Because
dumb
we
ass
finna go
retarded ass
spin
back.
right now,
No, we
cause I
not
know
spinning.
all them niggas not
And you
outside,
not
man.
spinning with that Glock.
Get some in, nigga. Let's do it.
And now
Hey, nigga.
y'all wonder why I ain't want to do that. Man, get your
Man,
ass
pay
back.
attention
No,
to
you're
the
not,
road.
bro. No, I'm not
Pay
paying attention to
attention
no
to-
road,
Hey,
bro. Get
man,
back,
stop
bro.
playing
For
right
real.
here, bro.
Stop.
Stop.
Let my gun go.
No.
Before I wreck this bitch. Get my shit
Pass
go.
me the gun, bitch.
No. I'm not passing you shit.
We almost here.
We ain't almost nothing.
Bro, we right over here where they stay.
Yeah.
So why the fuck you came over
We
here?
going to get something to eat.
No.
We ain't going where they stay.
No.
Yes.
It's about... Your ass ain't got no mask. Look at
Bro, take off my shirt.
Bro, I know you got something at this bitch, bro.
I'm finna go live.
Y'all nigga, man, you is snitching, bro. Pay me the gun, bro. I'm
Yeah,
not
we-
playing with you, bro.
We finna go
Man,
spin. We finna go spin. We on Ann Street. We finna go spin.
No,
so
you
y'all
ain't.
already know where we at.
No, you ain't.
So
why you with the police shit?
we finna go spin on who? What his name? Cause I know his name to make sure you say.
No. Come on, bro. You with the police ass shit.
But
Why
we
you
finna go
snitching on me,
spin.
bro?
So get what?
Why you snitching on
Bro,
me, bro?
get your ass back, bro. Don't hit me no more.
Man, I will punch the shit out of you. Bitch, put it down.
Bro, get
You
back.
tripping right here, bro.
Don't hit me no
So
more.
if we finna go spin on the nigga ass, yes or no?
I don't give a fuck. We already posted, so we both going to jail.
Well, how we both going? Yeah, we both, cause you the driver.
No,
Yes.
we both going.
Captain gun.
I want some Captain D.
Why the fuck we at Captain D right here?
Cause we not spending, bro.
Why the fuck we at Captain D? Why is we at Captain D, dude? You a bitch.
We can go spin.
Yeah, you
Don't worry about it. We can go spin.
Come on, y'all pay me the
Hold on,
gun.
wait. What? Let me see. Let me see.
What you
Let me see
mean?
how many-
No.
Bro, let me see the gun.
How many what?
Bro, let me see the gun, bro.
What are you doing, bruh? I'm God, bro. Don't
I'm the
even
only
play
one
with me right here.
shooting. I'm the only one shooting.
Alright, well, yeah.
So we go spin.
Yeah, man finna drive. You know,
No,
you gotta
I'm the
stop.
only one shooting.
Stop the car, bitch. You can't shoot and drive, bitch.
No, I'm gonna tell them to kill her.
Nah, bro, you tripping, bro. This shit was a prank. You tripping, fucked up, bro.
Bro,
Give
you was not. You
me
not
my
shooting.
gun.
No,
Give me my, bro. It was a
no,
prank,
you for
bro.
real.
It was a prank, bro.
No, you for real.
On everything, this shit was a prank, bro.
Shit.
Give me my gun, bro. Give me my gun. Give me my gun, bro.
No, bro.
I took my jewelry off and shit. Bro, give me my gun.
Bro,
Nah,
why
this
you-
shit was a prank.
Why you pranking and shit, bro?
What you mean? Thank you. Bruh, this nigga really thought we been spending bright daylight, bruh. Then we at Captain D, bitch. You was just hungry. I don't think so.
Well,
Man.
bitch, I'm finna get off Ann Street.
So what? So your ass wants some Captain D? Yeah, I like if you got the video. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna take a turn nigga out too, bro. I just, you know,
Let's not stretch my
real
shit.
top, bro. This shit already big on my neck. But yeah, we finna get out this video. And yeah, let's do it.